Totions. Every razor blade begins as a coil of specialized high-carbon martensitic stainless steel, an alloy engineered specific colchais. The steel composition is precisely specified for maximum hardness after heat treatment, with carbon content carefully balanced. Incoming steel quality directly determines the achievable blade edge sharpness and longevity. Every coil is metallurgically verified before production acceptance. The stamping press operates at speeds exceeding 1,000 strokes per minute, each stroke precisely cutting a blade blank from the steel. Each stamped blank requires precise dimensional tolerances because any variation will cause misalignment in the final multi-blade cartridge assembly. The cartridge body is a precision-engineered plastic component containing the blade mounting geometry, pivot mechanisms, and comfort guard features. The cartridge body contains over a dozen precision-molded features that must align within microns to correctly position multiple blades. Heat treatment is the most critical metallurgical transformation in blade manufacturing, converting the soft stamped steel into the At peak temperature, the steel's crystal structure transforms from the face-centered cubic austenite phase to the body-centered tetragonal. Rapid quenching freezes the high-temperature martensitic crystal structure, preventing the steel from softening back to its original phase during slow cooling. Tempering slightly reduces the extreme brittleness of the as-quenched martensite while preserving the hardness, achieving the optimal balance between edge retention and fracture resistance. The martensitic microstructure shows the characteristic needle-like grain pattern that provides the extreme hardness necessary for a durable, sharp cutting edge. Hydrogen embrittlement testing ensures the heat treatment atmosphere has not infused damaging hydrogen into the steel that could cause delayed cracking. With the steel now hardened to extreme levels, the blanks are ready for the most technologically demanding operation in the entire factory, creating the impossibly sharp cutting edge. Atmosphere control is critical because any surface oxidation or carbon loss during heat treatment would reduce the achievable edge sharpness. The heat treatment department transforms over 20 million blade blanks per day from soft, stampable steel into ultra-hard, razor-sharp ready components. The sharpening department is the most technologically advanced area of the facility, where diamond-coated grinding wheels create cutting edges. Edge formation requires 3 to 5 progressive grinding stages, each using finer abrasive to refine the edge geometry to the final cutting specification. Each grinding stage removes less material than the previous one, with the final stropping stage removing material measured in single-digit nanometers. The final stropping stage produces an edge apex radius smaller than 100 nanometers, less than 1,000th the thickness of a human hair. Under extreme magnification, the finished edge reveals a cutting apex only 50 to 100 individual atoms wide, the definition of surgical sharpness. The wool felt cutting test provides a standardized quantitative measurement of blade sharpness, with lower cutting force indicating a sharper edge. Modern razor blades receive multiple advanced surface coatings that enhance sharpness, reduce friction, and extend edge longevity beyond what bare steel alone could achieve. The PVD coating stack includes a hard chromium base layer for wear resistance, a diamond-like carbon intermediate layer for reduced friction. Coating thickness is specified in nanometers and must be precisely controlled because excessive coating can dull the edge, while each finished blade now carries an edge sharper than surgical instruments, protected by advanced nanoscale coatings that will deliver weeks of smooth shaving performance. The cartridge assembly hall is the most robotically intensive area of the facility, with over 600 individual robotic actions. The 5 blades are mounted at progressively steeper cutting angles, with each successive blade set to cut slightly deeper than the previous one for a closer overall shave. Ultrasonic welding creates a permanent molecular bond between the blade retention clips and the cartridge body, ensuring the blades can never loosen during aggressive consumer use.
The lubricating strip releases vitamin E and aloe compounds during shaving, reducing skin irritation and providing a smooth, comfortable glide.
The Comfort Guard micro-stretches the skin surface immediately ahead of the cutting edge, reducing the risk of nicks and enabling a closer, more comfortable shave. Over 20 individual quality parameters are verified on every single cartridge at full production speed. The entire cartridge assembly, from empty body to complete 5-blade cartridge, requires less than 2 seconds of total robotic cycle time. Every completed cartridge contains up to 30 individual precision components, assembled to micron-level accuracy in under 2 seconds. The handle provides the ergonomic interface and the mechanical docking mechanism that securely holds and releases the replaceable blade cartridge. The dual-material handle combines a rigid structural core with soft rubber grip surfaces for secure, comfortable wet hand control. The retail package pairs one handle with 2 starter cartridges, providing the consumer with a complete ready-to-use shaving system. The blister pack provides both anti-theft retail security and clear product visibility for consumer purchase decisions. Full-speed automated inspection ensures every package contains the correct number of components. Refill cartridge packs generate the majority of the brand's recurring revenue as consumers replace their blades.
Razor blades are among the most frequently shoplifted retail items due to their high value-to-size ratio.
Ready for global retail distribution.
The testing laboratory employs the most advanced surface science instrumentation available to verify blade quality at the nanometer scale.
The shaving simulation machine provides accelerated life testing that predicts real-world blade longevity within hours.
Human shaving evaluation provides the essential consumer perspective assessment that mechanical testing cannot fully replicate.
Corrosion testing verifies the blade coating stack provides adequate protection throughout the product's use life in humid bathroom environments.
Zero corrosion after accelerated testing confirms the coating integrity meets the harsh bathroom environment specification.
Formal batch release integrates sharpness, coating, assembly, and durability data.
Every production batch has archived samples retained for future reference. The complete product portfolio serves every consumer preference and price point.
Distribution efficiency ensures fresh blade inventory constantly flows to retail shelves worldwide.
International shipments receive specialized security wrapping to prevent tampering during long-haul transit.
Direct-to-consumer subscription models require specialized automated packing lines to handle high-volume individual mailer fulfillment.
The subscription fulfillment center processes hundreds of thousands of individual customer orders daily.
Professional barbers require specific bulk packaging formats designed for rapid access in the shop environment. The ASRS warehouse maximizes vertical space, storing millions of individual razor units in a minimal footprint. Strict security protocols are enforced at loading docks due to the extreme retail value density of razor blade shipments. Real-time GPS tracking ensures unbroken chain of custody monitoring for premium product shipments.
Every day, millions of precision shaving instruments leave this facility, bound for retailers worldwide.
A commitment to sustainability includes robust reverse logistics to recover and recycle packaging materials. Recycled materials from manufacturing scrap and returns are processed directly back into non-critical handle components. From the command center, engineers monitor the entire integrated process, from steel coil stamping to final cartridge assembly. Adjustments measured in nanometers mean the difference between an uncomfortably dull blade and a flawlessly sharp surgical edge. The master display provides an instant macro view of the entire factory's health and output rate. Die replacement requires extreme precision, safely locking out the massive kinetic energy of the stamping press. Continuous improvement relies on daily, data-driven analysis of any process deviations. Innovation in shaving begins with fundamental materials science, developing new steel alloys capable of taking a sharper, more durable edge. The perfect finish on a molded razor handle begins with the microscopic hand polishing of the steel injection mold.
While the world sleeps, the relentless pursuit of the perfect edge continues unbroken through the night.
The heat treatment furnaces never cool down. They roar constantly, transforming soft steel into hardened edge-holding metal.
Automation allows a skeleton crew of highly skilled technicians to manage incredible production volumes overnight. The polished steel reflects the precise engineering embedded in every single cutting edge.
Inside these vacuum chambers, nanoscale coatings are applied atom by atom, creating a surface harder than diamond.
Absolute pristine cleanliness is maintained 24 hours a day.
A flawless, continuous flow of finished products heading towards distribution.
The sheer speed of assembly is almost impossible for the human eye to track. Every motion is calculated for maximum speed and zero waste. One perfect cartridge, born from miles of steel strip and hours of nanoscale engineering.
Everything is running smoothly. The night report is all here.
Thank you. I appreciate the detailed notes.
This immense facility exists solely to master the interface between a razor-sharp steel edge and human skin. It all culminates here, the ultimate test of miles of steel, robotic exactitude, and nanoscale coatings. The factory breathes in raw steel and breathes out precision shaving instruments in perfect rhythmic balance. The promise of the factory delivered, a flawless, comfortable shave that starts the day right.
And so the cycle begins anew. More steel, more heat, more precision. From above, this monument to precision engineering appears as a pulsing heart of modern manufacturing.
The eternal fire of the heat treatment furnace continues its transformative work.
Perfection requires constant vigilance and unwavering adherence to microscopic tolerances.
A masterful choreography of human oversight and robotic speed.
The engineering isn't just about sharpness, it's intricately designed for skin comfort and safety.
A design for every preference, but all relying on the same fundamental mastering of the steel edge. The complete journey from crude steel roll to precision multi-blade cartridge captured in one awe-inspiring vista. A mark of quality, guaranteed by billions of dollars of engineering investment.
The product connects generations, a daily ritual made effortless by unseen industrial mastery. The pinnacle of high-speed automated manufacturing. The human element, bringing skill and oversight to the mechanical giants. Even the lubrication is a marvel of polymer chemistry designed to activate instantly upon contact with water.
Raw, unrelenting mechanical power, controlled to the micrometer.
The ultimate human sign-off on microscopic perfection. A cathedral of modern manufacturing, dedicated to the simplest of daily tasks.
5 edges, perfectly spaced, coated in diamond-like carbon, ready to perform. The humble razor blade. Cold steel, intense heat, and nanometer perfection. Behind it, a